Do you ever want to do something amazing or stand up for something you believe in? But something always stops you. A rejecting voice that comes from inside your own head. The one that cancels you out. The gnawing self doubt that engulfs and paralyzes you before you even take a tiny step forward. The voice that tells you that you are not capable enough. Maybe because you're a woman, maybe because you're disabled, or because you belong to a minority group. This voice convinces you that you can't possibly do any good. Do you often feel like the odd one out? But you're not alone. Here is some data to prove so. Only 21% of working age women in India are active in some form of employment or other. This percentage is far lower than the global average. Studies also show that India ranks third lowest in having women in leadership roles. 1 billion people, or 15% of the world's population, experience some form of disability. The employment rate of disabled people stands at only 36% in India. According to the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, at least 79.5 million people around the world have been forced to flee their homes. Just like you and I, there are millions who are looked down upon just because they do not fit inside a box. But instead of listening to the demoralizing voices, we need to stand up for what we believe in. Article 18 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights advocates that everyone has the right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. The world's most successful companies are championing women for leadership positions, revolutionizing workplaces to be more inclusive of disabled persons, and creating multi-faith communities which promote freedom of religion and belief. This proves that fostering such a healthy environment results in reduced corruption, engenders peace, encourages broader freedoms, and multiplies trust in an organization when individuals bring their whole selves to the work. Take, for instance, Google's Interbelief Network or IBN. IBN aims to create a culture of inclusion, tolerance, and mutual understanding for diversity of beliefs, where employees of all beliefs feel welcome, included, and supported. Currently, there are 16 employee resource groups from different religions at IBM. They also aim to ensure that the voices of belief-based communities are represented in their products. So let's speak up for inclusivity. When you or someone else is rejected or discriminated against because of gender, disability, or beliefs, your voice needs to be heard. Let us work together to create a place of respect and opportunity for all people.